Hi, welcome back. Look what I have. More China mail, and this one was an awesome surprise. I got this on eBay. Her face could be a little bit better, but look, there are special stones on this one. It has 28 colors, and I want to say this was 30 by 40, but I can't remember at the moment. So there's the special stones for her hair. It looks like we've got DMC codes maybe. But I am really excited about this one. So there's a better, maybe, there we go. Better look at the stones. So cute, like little flowers. And then a better canvas here with our colors. Wow, this is a lot. Blue, yellow. Not a lot of one color though. This one has the most. This is the sky. It's kind of weird. I guess it's kind of like a stormy sea, because there really isn't water. But she's got, it's like Ariel looking at Eric. There's the ship in the background. Here's the thumbnail. So you can see she's looking up at the sky. It's really pretty. And around, again, I've yet to get a square, but it's the standard toolkit. No baggies, bummer. But this is the most colors I've done so far, at 28, including the special stones. So I'm happy about this one. Can't wait to see it done. Lots of yellow. But anyway, so there she is. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.